Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you are in the studio or craft room creating something amazing. So, I wanted to share with you guys, I'm so excited, something I've been working on that I am still working on, but I wanted to show you guys what's going on in the studio for JayCee Creations. And yes, that is my name. I think I'm working on this as my logo. Just the words. It says JayCee Creations, handcrafted jewelry and gifts. And this is one of the cards that I made. I'm trying to do some jewelry cards. So, we've seen all those beautiful cards out there that Amazon does. And, for me, I just want to be different. And there's nothing wrong with purchasing from Amazon. But as a creator, I wanted to do something different. And so I created these images, and I do have them on my website as a printable cut, print and cut, so that you can create your own as well using the same images. I have my first set of 10 images up on the site. I will be putting the next set over the next couple of days. I'm very excited. It is a digital only product, but if for some reason you cannot print for yourself, reach out to me and we can work it out. We can work out a price for me to print them and send them over to you. Anyway, let me show you what I did, what I got. I'm so excited. OMG. So first I decided, let me just go ahead and create the card, and then I'll put the earring on it. So this is part of the second set. My first set are African American women, and I decided to do something different for all types of women. So those are coming soon. So here we go. Without my logo, I decided to print the logo on here. This is what you could do with the cards, right? The digital product will come in a PDF form, and you can edit as needed. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these. And these are some of my earrings that I made previously with all the beads that I got. Look at that. I'm so excited for these. I hope you like them. These images were created. I used AI. So if you have any kind of skills using AI, you can even make your own. All right, look at these. And these are unique to me. I've created these, so you won't see these images anywhere unless they took them from me. I'm just gonna say that. I created these images on AI, so if you see these anywhere else for sale, they've stolen it from me. Straight up. All right, here's another one. Oh, favorites. And then here's a couple of the coming soon images. Like this is part of my first batch. And these are some of the coming soon images. Right? Just throwing them out there. So guys, if you are loving what you're seeing, could you please just go ahead and do a thumbs up and share? And I would love it if you decided to purchase. Again, if you can't print these out, I am more than willing to print them out for you and mail them over to you. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, that's all I got. You go create something amazing and have a great day. Bye.